Welcome back, children. In our grammar session, video 3 of tenses, we have studied present and past tense. As we have already learned that tenses are verb forms which indicate the time of an action, and it has three types: past, present, and future. Today in this last video, we are going to learn about simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous are the four classes of future tense. Let us learn about simple future. Simple future tense is used to indicate an action that is yet to take place or will take place in future. The verbs will and shall are used with the root verb to indicate an action in future tense. For example, Amar will do well in his exams, or I shall fly to Chennai tomorrow. The simple future tense is used to express what we think or know will happen in future. For example, you will succeed in your mission. It is also used to describe things that will happen as a regular phenomenon or as a habitual thing. For example, the maid will come in the evening. To describe a result of some action, if you are not cautious while playing football, you will hurt your knee. It is also used when we decide to do something at the time of speaking, like I will bring some water for you. And the form of simple future tenses will or shall with the root form of verb. Future continuous tense. Future continuous tense expresses an action that will be going on at some time in future. For example, he and his friends will be presenting a play next week. Or Ruchi will be going to the mall tomorrow. Future continuous tense is also used to show something that will take place in the future as a matter of routine or as a planned happening. For example, father will be returning home from office at 6 p.m. And the future continuous form will be or shall be plus ing form of verb. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense expresses an action that will be over at a given point of time in future. For example, we hope all the problems will have solved by the end of the month, or I will have finished this novel by evening. The form of future perfect tenses will have or shall have plus V3 form or past participle form of verb. Future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense is used to denote a continuous action, so it is used with reference to some time in future. For example, the choir will have been singing for an hour before the play starts, or he will have been reading about the accident in the newspaper next morning. Here, the structure or the form of future perfect continuous tenses. While writing, we write will or shall plus have been plus ing form of verb. Here I have made a table of all the tenses with examples for your reference. All tenses at one glance with verb form and the examples there. Refer the table, and I hope you understood the tenses, and this table is going to help you to understand it more detail and a quick recap of tenses. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.